Hi, this is Megan, 31 Director from Virginia, and I just wanted to show you our all-in organizer and quite a few of our fun prints that we have available in August. This is our customer special this month, so when you spend $35, you can actually get up to 2 of these for $10 each. This is a really actually popular bag of ours, so incredibly versatile. You can see we have it in some really fun prints, mermaids, and then our farm print. How cute is that? Our cactus print and our dino print. But this bag, here's why I love it. It's so simple, right? It's such a simple bag, but it really does help you organize stuff. It's got 2 little mesh pockets on the outside. You can actually add 2 little carry-all caddies to the inside to give it structure and organization, or you can just use it with other things inside of it. It's perfect for kids in the car, an activity bag. It is a perfect way to organize your car, to organize your office, organize your kitchen, all kinds of great ideas with these bags. It will hold, it's big enough to even hold notebooks, so you can see how big that can get. That's a 3-ring binder right there. Perfect way to carry things in and out of activities or whatever you need. So check out the all-in organizer. They're only $10 when you spend $35, and you can get 2 of them for $10 each. It's a perfect gift bag as well. You can personalize it with all kinds of things. It's just a great little organizing bag. So make sure you check those out. MeganGorg.com.